Here's the unfiltered, not necessarily compliant introduction of liver complex. A lot of people have reached out to us over the years and asked for help with fatty liver, elevated liver enzymes, and cholesterol and triglyceride imbalances. Let's say that, right? Their LDL is too high and their HDL is too low and their triglyceride levels are too high. So we get asked about that all the time. Does liver complex, in my opinion, is it a very effective product for that? 100%. In fact, if you have those type of things, I'm going to say this twice today, but you should take the double dose for 3 months, 3 to 4 months, and then reduce down to the normal dose. And then if you go get your blood work done, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, but that's not the only reason people reach out to Silver Fern brand. One of the things we see is that our other protocols and the other things we're trying to help people with don't work effectively for other people. And many people, not all, but many people want to get to the root cause of the problems. So I'll give some examples, okay? So one of the ones that come off the top of my head is, what if people are taking stress complex, which by the way has saffron side, which for mood support is a freaking home run in my opinion. But what if they're taking the saffron side, which has been clinically shown or clinically studied to help reduce cortisol levels by up to 44%, and a person is still having the symptoms of elevated cortisol levels? What if the liver's not clearing cortisol? What if it's not clearing cortisol and so they're getting a recirculation of cortisol, and that's causing an HPA axis dysfunction? Some people think that's adrenal fatigue. And it's either causing chronic elevated cortisol levels, weight gain, or it's causing low cortisol levels, weight loss, you're not hungry, you're lethargic and fatigue and all that, don't sleep well, all those things. This helps with both of those because it's helping with, we wanted something that helped with cortisol clearance. Many people reach out to us about hormone imbalances. Now, does the gut affect hormone imbalances? 100%, but so does the liver. If you're not clearing, if you're not using something like liver complex to assist with all 3 phases of a liver detoxification, and you're not clearing hormones, they're going to recirculate and you're going to get issues like estrogen dominance. I mean, this applies to all hormones too, but not only that, the liver is key to activating and processing hormones as well. So let's say like you're me 10 years ago and you went in because you have thyroid issues and you're not converting T4 to T3. There's your sign. That is literally a liver issue right there, okay? So once again, people have hormone imbalances. They need help with hormones. Is the gut key to that? Yeah, we're helping them with gut health, but so is the liver. Some people reach out and they'll be like, metabolism doesn't work. Now, some of the people that say that are I'm going to say this, try and say this nicely, aren't super wise, and they think that they're going to resolve major weight issues in 3 weeks, which is just dumber than a damn fence post. But they take this product and it didn't work in 3 weeks and they quit. That's some people. But if most people that are thinking clearly understand that an effective product to help with insulin sensitivity is, when you really look at the data, it's between 6 and 12 months. So pairing it with diet, exercise, and then the product is supposed to help a person be able to eat in a calorie deficit or in an effective way for to be burning calories so that you're actually seeing a weight loss benefit, right? But guess what? If you have a clogged liver, for example, and it's sluggish, it's going to absolutely affect your insulin response. Clogged liver equals insulin resistance. So slow clogged liver, doesn't even have to be fatty liver, just a slow liver can affect your insulin responses. So slow liver equals insulin resistance, healthy liver equals insulin sensitivity. So could you pair something like liver complex with metabolism and have it work effective? I would strongly encourage that. The Altilix in the liver complex alone, which once again, at the clinical dose, shows up to a 43.1% improvement in insulin sensitivity over 6 months. Be mindful, it just takes time. But if you pair these together, should you be noticing a significant improvement in ability to control what you're eating and make your diet and exercise program work better and be able to eat less calories every day? Yes. That's why we created. A lot of people reach out to Silver Fern brand to move to the next point, and they're on a histamine intolerance gut health protocol, which obviously means a person's not producing enough DAO enzymes and which means weak stomach lining, or gut lining, by the way. They have a weak and damaged small intestinal lining. That's what that means. And they probably have pathogens and bacteria or imbalances that are hyper or super producing histamine in the system. But the other problem is if a person's correctly doing a gut health protocol to help with histamine intolerances and they're not clearing histamine out like they're supposed to out of the liver, they very well may continue to have a histamine intolerance. This is just how it goes. We obviously have to move to the next line. What if you're doing a gut detox protocol with Silver Fern brand and even a touch of nano scrub sends you into orbit, meaning the die-off is just more than you can bear? There's your sign. You likely have a liver issue, okay? So in my opinion, the liver product does way more than just help with elevated liver enzymes, fatty liver, and cholesterol and triglyceride issues. The ingredients, the Bergavit and all of that in this will blow your damn mind on that stuff, but we wanted to do way more than that. So is the liver going to affect mood? Yes. So would pairing liver complex with stress complex help? I would strongly suggest it would, yes. Would pairing liver complex with your gut cleanup protocols be helpful? It is the detox organ, so you would think that would make sense, right? What makes liver complex so good, in my opinion? Well, one, we went with 4 clinically studied liver ingredients at the clinical doses, which is kind of a big deal. So 4 branded ingredients. And then we went with ingredients that were like super highly bioavailable. As an example, the Siliphos milk thistle in the liver complex has up to a 4 times higher absorption rate than standard milk thistle. So, is it been clinically studied? Yes. Is it at the clinical dose? I would even argue it's at a dose higher than most of those gentle support products you're buying on Amazon. And it has it is clinically studied and supported at a significantly higher absorption rate. So up to 4 times higher absorption rate. So bam, bam, and bam. That's an example. So is liver complex what I would argue to be an extremely effective add-on to damn near everything? I would. So I've been taking all the ingredients forever, and I know people see me and they're like, you should try to be healthy. Let me start off with the basics. We create products because we need them first. Just to be common sense here. I'm not running around trying to be a damn fitness influencer. That's not my goal. I just want to be healthy. I'm like most of you. I really don't give 2 shits about doing a selfie in the freaking mirror 3 times a day at the gym. It's just not who I am, right? Not to hammer people that do that. I'm sure that makes you happy in life. But all I'm trying to say is we create the products because we want them and we personally need them to work. Personally, notice it working first. And then we create it because most of you also need that help. We hear what you're saying. Can metabolism be made to work better? Can stress complex be made to work better? Phil, I take nano scrub and it hurts like hell. What do I do? We're trying to create products for you to help with the things you need. And I would strongly suggest liver complex is going to be that for most of you. This sounds weird. This may be one of the most exciting products that we will be launching, have launched or will be launching in anytime soon because it does so freaking much. When Acacia and the science folks put this together, as far as I'm concerned, they knocked the damn ball right out of the park. So here's a suggestion. If you have liver issues or you're worried you have liver issues and you just want to get shit done, you want to address things and you want to see results, double the dose of liver complex over about 3 to 4 months and then drop it down to a standard dose. Hell yes, it works with the gut health protocols. It works with metabolism, works with stress complex, and it should be fairly noticeable. And freaking go get your blood work done. Hell, I would. Go get your blood work done before and after. You're welcome. It does work. Bye.